Mathematics portion for 2021, class 10th. These are the chapters you have to learn for your final exam. So real numbers and sets, these are complete. You have to prepare for this complete chapters. Third chapter, polynomials, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, you have to prepare, and for 3.4 you can leave that is deleted. Fourth chapter, 4.1, 4.2, you have to prepare, but 4.3 is deleted. In fifth chapter, 5.1, 5.2, 5.4, you have to prepare, and 5.3 is the deleted one. In progressions, you have to prepare 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, and 6.4 and 6.5 are deleted exercises. In 7th chapter, coordinate geometry, exercise number 7.3 is deleted. So that's why you have to prepare 7.1 and 7.2, 7.4. 8 similar triangles, exercise number 8.1, 8.2, 8.4 are there, and deleted is exercise number 8.3. In tangents and secants, 9th chapter, 9.3 is deleted, and in 10th mensuration, deleted exercise is 10.4. In 11th chapter, trigonometry, exercise number 11.3 is deleted. In applications of trigonometry is complete, you have to prepare for exam. 13th chapter, probability, completely you have to prepare. But in statistics, deleted topics are greater than cumulative curve and mean step deviation method. These both have been deleted. Now coming to the sample model paper for final exam mathematics, you are going to have 3 hours 15 minutes maximum and marks 80 marks. And one you have to write, part 1 you have to write in separate answer book, and part B you have to fill in the question paper. That is a multiple choice is there, so you have to write that in the question paper itself and attach it to the answer book. Now coming to the part A. In part A we are having 2 hours 30 minutes for writing for solving this, and maximum marks is 60 marks. In this we are having 3 sections. So section 1, for section 1 there are 6 into 2, that is 12 marks are there. You have to write any 6 questions, you have to solve any 6 questions, choosing 3 from group A and group B. Each problem carries 2 marks. So you have to write 3 from each group, and each group, that is group A, contains 6 problems and group B contains another 6 problems. Next, coming to section 2, section 2 contains carries 4 4s are 16 marks, and each question carries 4 mark. You have to write any 4 out of 8. So there are 8 problems in this, and each problem contains 4 marks, but you have to write only 4. Coming to section 3, section 3 contains 4 8s are 32 marks, and again you are going to write any 4 and 2 from each group, group A and group B, and each question carries 8 marks. So let us see, in group A we are having total 4 problems. Group A contains 4 problems and group B contains 4 problems. So like this, section 3 you will be done with the section 3. Next, after completing the section 3, you are going to write part B. In part B, for part B, marks for this part is 20 marks. For each question carries 1 mark. So let us see. So this is the choose the correct answer, that is a multiple choice. So if there are 20 multiple choices are there, so you have to write this multiple choice to get 20 marks.